What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, hey, Sharmila here, so nice to meet you. Do subscribe to the channel and join the family. So today I'm going to be reviewing two of my favorite lipsticks from Lotus Makeup. So I have the Lotus ECOSTAY matte liquid lipstick. These lipsticks come in a lot of shades. I have my two favorites. The first shade is Miss Magenta and it's a beautiful color. I love to use it. And the next one I have is Red Fantasy. It's a gorgeous red which is going to suit every skin tone. Today I have created a ombre look with these lipsticks. However, I'll be swatching them separately for you guys. So guys, first of all, I'm going to quickly show you guys these swatches. The fact I love the most about these lipsticks is that they are 100% vegetarian, they are cruelty free, and they are vegan. They are also 97% natural, and to be honest, nowadays all the products are too much chemical, and I'm really happy that these are natural, and I'm assured that they are good for my lips. I have been using them for a while now, and a lot of lipsticks has this tendency to make my lips pigmented and dark, but this problem never occurred with these lipsticks. The texture of the lipsticks is very light and they are super matte. They're also transfer proof, as you guys can see, and whenever I wear mask, they do not smudge in the mask or do not leave any kind of stain, which I really like. The formula is so light, I don't even feel like I have anything on my lips. It's quite hydrating and the look is matte, which I like a lot because generally liquid lipsticks tend to dry out my lips so much, and these are quite hydrating and I really like them. Each of these lipsticks are priced at rupees 725, which I think is quite affordable. Like, these are literally liquid lipsticks, and I have used expensive liquid lipsticks which did not work as good as this one. Packaging is really classy. It comes in a square packaging, and yeah, I really like the total concept of the packaging. I feel like it's very classy and it's very luxurious. I really like the feel of the product. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the wand. This is what it looks like. It's like a teardrop shaped wand, and it makes it really easy to apply. I personally love these type of wands, but I can't really find much in a lot of lipsticks. Thanks to Lotus Makeup, we have it. I have tried a lot of product from Lotus, and when they decided to send me their makeup, I was beyond excited. And after trying them, I'm like, oh my god, I cannot live without these. So if you guys want to purchase these amazing lipsticks, I'll mention the link in the description box below, so do check it out. Also, let me know in the comments below if you guys like the shade, and among these two, which one is your favorite. Do give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye. Don't forget to watch my previous video that is mentioned right on the screen and subscribe to my channel.